John 5:19, What things soever he doeth, these also doeth the Son likewise. How can a man do everything God does? Let that question sink in. If you still believe Jesus was just a prophet, just a messenger, just another voice in a long line of holy men, then John 5:19 should strike at the core of your theology like thunder from heaven. Jesus said, What things soever he doeth, these also doeth the Son likewise. Not some things, not similar things, not imitated things. Whatsoever the Father does, the Son does likewise. Do you hear what that means? God creates. So does the Son. God judges. So does the Son. God gives life. So does the Son. God raises the dead. So does the Son. God forgives sin. So does the Son. This isn't equality in mission. It's equality in nature. No prophet ever spoke this way. Moses never said, Whatever God does, I do likewise. Elijah never claimed to be the equal of the Almighty. Isaiah trembled before the throne. Daniel collapsed in fear. John fell as though dead when he saw Christ in glory. But Jesus, he says he does whatever the Father does. This is not arrogance. This is not blasphemy. This is truth straight from the mouth of the eternal Son of God. And that's exactly why they wanted to kill him. Read the context. John 5:18 says the Jews sought to kill him not only because he broke the Sabbath, but because he said that God was his Father, making himself equal with God. And how did Jesus respond? Did he correct them? Did he say, No, you misunderstood, I'm just a man? No, he confirmed it. He said, Whatever the Father does, I do likewise. He did not shrink back from the divine claim. They understood him perfectly, and he doubled down. So now the burden is on you, skeptic. If you say Jesus is not God, then explain how he can do everything the Father does. If you say he's just a prophet, then tell me which prophet has the power to create, to judge, to give life, and to be worshipped by all heaven. If you say he was a man sent by God, explain why he declares the works of God as his own. The Son does likewise. Not after, not below. Likewise. This verse doesn't merely hint at divinity, it roars it. It doesn't whisper equality, it shouts it from the highest heavens. The Son does whatever the Father does. Only God can do what God does. And Jesus did it all. He walked on water, commanded the wind, forgave sins, raised the dead, opened the eyes of the blind. And even now he sustains the universe by the word of his power. Why? Because he's not merely from God. He is God. To every pastor who teaches a diluted Christ, repent. To every priest who bows to tradition over truth, return to the word. To every imam who calls Jesus a prophet, read this verse again and tremble. To every non-believer who scoffs at his name, know that the one you mock is the one sustaining your heartbeat. Jesus does what only God can do. He doesn't need your permission to be divine. He proved it with his words, his works, and his resurrection. So now, your soul hangs in the balance. You will either worship the one who is equal with God, or you will face him as your judge. Because what things soever the Father does, the Son does likewise. He is not a copy. He is not a shadow. He is the express image of the invisible God. And every knee will bow. Prove him wrong.